Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back again to your channel Global Skills. Removing the stock one and let you decide if that's the good choice or not. But probably if you are a Jeep owner, you will know what I'm talking about. Install them. This is the first time I'm seeing them in person. I did not expect to be this good. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back again to your channel Global Skills. In this video, I'm gonna be showing for the first time the brand new car that we just added to the listing, the 2023 Jeep Wrangler 4xe hybrid. It's a turbo. In today's video, probably if you are a Jeep owner, you're going through the same problem. Anytime you try to get out from this vehicle, you feel yourself is like you're sliding through the seat. This stock side step, it doesn't help for nothing, probably if you're going off-roading so you don't hit the car from the bottom. Besides that, you cannot step on it and it's just right there. That's the reason I got this side step. It's an aftermarket. I'm gonna review it as well. I got it from the company to review it with you guys. I'm gonna show you how to install it, removing the stock one, and let you decide if that's the good choice or not. But probably if you are a Jeep owner, you will know what I'm talking about. And to use in this project, I'll be using the Seesii Impact. I've been using this brand for a long time. Very easy to use. The battery lasts for a long time. And in this video, I received a brand new socket set that I'm going to be using it as well for this project. And then on this project, probably I'm going to need an extension and probably the 10mm and the 13. So let's go and start taking off the stock one and replacing it with the new one. I still did not see it, so it's going to be the first time I'm going to be taking off from the box and show you guys at the same time. Let's go. And for this project, guys, you don't have to be a mechanic. I'm not. My background, it's totally different than what I'm doing right now. I just like, since the day one, I worked on cars. I loved it. My inspiration was Goon Squad, was Tavares, was Matt Armstrong. And since I watched their video, it led me to do this, and I really loved it since then. So all you guys DIYers at the house, you guys can do it. You're gonna just follow those simple steps and we're gonna do it together. Let's go. Well, let me tell you guys, now I am excited to install them. This is the first time I'm seeing them in person. I did not expect to be this good. The way how it's finished, it looks really, really amazing. Not heavy. We can lift it, 2 hands. Well, the step. And it comes with the accessories. All they have numbers probably to know which one we're gonna install them first. This one comes with all the little tools to the little bolts to install them with the instructions, probably, I'm guessing. Oh yeah, this is the instruction, guys. All right, let's go. I'm excited to install them as fast as I could. So let's go. I'm gonna take off the old ones and then start installing the new one. All right. Where the rear tire is one here, one, and this little one is a number 10. One here, number 10, and the last one right there, and the number 10, and this one will be out. Easy, right? And before I'm gonna start, let's put some music on to work the project. And there is nothing better to listen to the music more than listen to music with TOZO. This is a very nice earpiece, very slick, very thin. Music on. Let's go. The seat starts wearing up through the time, so we will have to get that adjusted so we don't have to mess up the seat. Let's go. All right, guys, so I finally finished installing the two side steps. Let me tell you, the installation was in the beginning a little confusing, but it's like everything you want to try in your life. Something new, it's always something different to you guys, but as soon as you get the hang of it and you follow the steps like I show you on the instructions, it's very simple, straightforward. Let me show you how it looks like right now. I'm super excited and super happy the way how it turned out. The Jeep looks absolutely different, amazing colors right here. I love this, the way how it's red on the side. It looks great. Check it out on the other side as well. Very nice. Check it out, guys. Very nice. It looks very strong. It changed the look of the Jeep. Looks totally different Jeep right now. I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video.